Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Hyundai Sonata Limited. This one's gray. Underneath it's a 2.4 four-cylinder. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Gray leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. Rear spoiler. Sonata Limited badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with a keyless entry. Dark wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Also got a blind spot assist. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera, climate controls, hard keys for media display, heated and cooled seats, USB port and auxiliary, automatic transmission. This Hyundai has 42,340 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Hyundai Sonata, check out feldmannimports.com.